Hey guys, so, today I am going to show you how to get Archero, Gems and Coins Hack. First, open your browser and type in xeramod.net, or you could also check out link in description and pinned comment. Now, if you are on the site, locate the search bar. Right here. Input your search. Type in Archero and press the search button. Click on the result. Before pressing the button, leave us a like, or share our video. And when you are on the page, click on the Get Started button. Now, there would be a few steps to get the modded premium app. Just follow the instructions on the video. Remember, a small verification might be required for you to be able to get the resources in your account. Don't worry, it's just quick and easy. For Android and iOS users, the verification process requires you to install an application and run it for at least 35 seconds. You should come back to your account and check if the resources are credited. If not, just repeat the installation process.